Unlock the power of seamless team collaboration in Messagebird with this simple guide on adding new users and managing their access. First, log into your Messagebird account, then navigate to the Users section, usually found in the Settings or Team Management area of your dashboard. Next, click on the Add User button. Now, fill in the new user's details, including their name, email address, and any other required information. Carefully configure the permission settings for the new user. This includes specifying which features they can access and what actions they are allowed to perform within the platform, such as sending messages or managing contacts. Assign a specific role to the user. Roles define a set of permissions and responsibilities, streamlining access control and ensuring that each team member has the appropriate level of authority. Finally, review all the details and click Save or Create User. The new user will receive an invitation to join your Messagebird account. And you've just successfully expanded your team's capabilities within Messagebird.